today you are reacting to this.
What is this? What is that? A computer?
Oh, it's an old computer.
It looks cool. I like pressing buttons.
It's huge. It's very huge.
If you don't have a desk, where do you put this? It is very hipster. Question time!
So it is an old computer.
Yes.
From the late 1970s or early 80s. What do you think of it just from looking at it?
Kind of like those old televisions that are like very boxy.
Go ahead, turn it on.
Nothing's happening.
So you turn the monitor on. Where else might an on switch be?
Oh, wait. Hello? How do I do this?
It's in the back.
Oh, I see where it is.
Why does it have to make so much noise?
And there's nothing on the screen.
Doesn't look anything like what we have now.
Apps, games, websites, everything. But this thing right here has nothing.
Go ahead and try to do something on the computer.
Nothing's happening.
How do I do this?
You can't do anything or even type until you hit a reset button that's on the computer. That's
Reset!
It's very tedious.
It's like pre-flight checks, kind of.
That is too many steps.
How do you do anything?
Maybe you pressed shift. Okay, that didn't do anything.
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse?
Everything is just done with the keyboard.
What?
Okay, now.
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna write my name. Wait, it doesn't matter.
Are there any programs on it?
You had to type into the keyboard to get it to do anything.
So if I type in games, it returns. Error!
Ah, error.
This computer isn't an error.
How do you go on the internet?
You,
What?
Pretty sure Timothy Berners-Lee didn't create it yet.
There was no internet back then.
What? How do you look up homework?
You gotta go to the library.
Who wants to do that?
So computers back then could only do limited things. For example, you can do math, type documents, and code, but that's about it.
Are you serious? That's mind-blowing.
then it was the peak of technology. Now it seems kind of worthless.
Well, it's kind of good because it was kind of the first technology, but the computers today are kind of better.
Let's do some math. Go ahead, type in a math problem.
2 plus 2. Return. I don't see anything.
When you just type numbers out, the computer doesn't know what you want it to do. It just sees the numbers. You need to give it a command to let it know, hey, I'm about to give you numbers.
Answer the math problem. That doesn't make any sense.
You have to give some sort of command and then type in what you want it to do?
This would be the hardest thing in the world.
So what you need to do is you have to type the word print first.
Oh.
Math has nothing to do with print.
I don't get how you have to put print and nothing prints out. So we'll just print.
Oh, wait.
Return. Oh! I did it! I feel so proud of myself! Finally! Took 1,000 years. I don't get it. And I also don't get the 1970s.
Person that was using this a long time ago must have a lot of codes right next to them.
I don't want to do this anymore.
So besides the computer, there is something else next to it.
These things.
Do you have any idea what those things are?
Oh, it's a paper pencil, power source.
External disk drives.
They're actually used for this.
Hey, a CD. It's a CD case.
A floppy disk.
Oh, floppy disk. It was like a flash drive.
They actually call that a floppy disk.
Oh yeah, just floppy.
That big computer has no hard drive on it.
That's horrible.
Then why is it so big?
So floppy disks were used to store data. Floppy disks could also come with programs on them. So the one you're holding has a version of DOS.
Dots?
Do you know what DOS is?
No?
No.
No, I think it could be somebody's last name.
Do you want to play a game on the computer?
Yeah.
Yes!
Could you grab the floppy disk, please?
Go ahead, put it in.
How do I put this in?
Oh, is the lid shut?
Turn it around. No, other way. No, turn it around.
It doesn't like suck it in?
Shut it.
Ugh. This isn't working. Do I have to press something?
Print.
Try it.
Disk. Return. It said 0.
I don't like this computer. Really don't.
If the computer was already on and you put in the disk, you gotta turn the computer off and turn it back on.
Oh my gosh. You guys are crazy. Yes! It worked.
Okay, let me help you. No.
Yes.
I don't like it. It works at least.
No.
I think the game
I think it
broke.
messed up.
Do I have to pay for it?
Too much pixelation.
Game over.
It's green, which makes it look ugly.
At least it's better than Flappy Bird.
So every computer, even today, has something called a processor inside of it. And depending on how good your processor is how powerful the machine is. You would need at least 850 of those computers to equal the single power of this one small phone.
What?
How can they do that?
Technology is awesome.
Look at how humanity has used their intellect. Pretty awesome.
Truth! So finally, would you want one of these today?
Sorta. It's pretty cool.
No, it can do really nothing.
I have better things, so why would I want this?
3 decades ago, I would love to have this, but now this is just a footstool.
No.
You wouldn't use it?
No, the games are boring, the stuff is boring, and the whole thing is boring.
Thanks for watching this technological episode of Kids React.
Leave a comment of which technology we should react to next.
BYE. Return.
Error? What?